Question number 2. Okay. An object is positioned in a gravitational field. The measurement of the gravitational force acting on an object has an uncertainty of 3%. What do you mean by this? Which means that delta F by F is equal to 3%. Okay. And the uncertainty in the mass of the object is 9%. Mass of the object. Delta M by M is equal to 9%. Right. What is the uncertainty in the gravitational field strength of the field? Okay. He is asking you what is the uncertainty in the gravitational field strength. What is gravitational field strength? G. So you want to find out what is delta G by G. How do you find? We know that F is equal to M into G. So therefore, take G is equal to F by M. Okay. So this delta G by G is equal to delta F by F plus delta M by M. Okay. So which should now be delta F by F is 3. This will be 9, which will be equal to 12%. So this the answer should be 12%. Many of you would be wondering, why should I do like this? But instead, why don't I do something like if I take F is equal to M into G, and I take delta F by F is equal to delta M by M plus delta G by G, and then I can take this one on the other side. So it becomes this is 3 and that should be 9. So answer should be 6%. You are subtracting. So that cannot happen. The reason is because whenever we are adding, whenever we are having an error cannot be subtracted in any mathematical expression. Okay. So when I do this one, what will happen? It will become delta G by G will be equal to delta F by F minus delta M by M. Okay. This error cannot become negative over here. Okay. You should always be positive over here. You know, mistakes are always being done. Mistakes are being committed. Mistakes cannot become negative. Okay. It is not something like today I go to the class 3 minutes before. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I go to a class 3 minutes late. Okay. Tomorrow, okay, if I take the average of this, it will be equal to 0, which means I have not done any mistake. No, that cannot happen. Okay. So therefore, you should always take the subject over here and then start doing the uncertainty analysis. Okay.